So what do you get when you get our 3/4 inch permanent sheeted color coding dots in our specialty pack? Well, here's what it looks like. 1,200 total dots in a pack in 5 great colors, 240 of each of them: goldenrod, salmon, lime green, lavender, and pink. These are a great addition along with our premium colors, our fluorescent colors, and all of our other 38 collection packs as well. Now, these are super easy to remove from a liner, and because they're on sheets, you can store them in a drawer or basically anywhere else. Since they are permanent, you place them down, press a little bit, and they're gonna get stuck. Now, let's say you made a mistake on this one. If you go quick, you can remove it pretty easily. It is permanent, but it is repositionable if you act pretty quick. See, no residue left. But this one, I applied just a few minutes before I started making this video, literally 3 minutes beforehand, and I pressed down pretty hard on it. Let's try and take this one off. It's gonna be a lot more difficult to remove. I'm really struggling with my finger, and it's leaving residue behind. Now, normally residue is the bad thing, right? But if you wanted that label to stay stick, that's good. That means that's permanent, and it's gonna be permanent within just a few minutes. So when you apply the label, press hard, it's gonna stay put exactly where you want it. Another thing that people love to do with our labels is to mark on them, to write on them. People say, can you do it? Absolutely. But I wouldn't recommend using a ballpoint pen, like a cheap, free ballpoint pen, because that plasticized paper coating is not gonna really write very well. It's gonna kind of skip over that plastic coating. The plastic coating is great. It makes it very, very durable. But for a ballpoint pen, it doesn't really work. And a gel pen, that makes it smear. So we don't recommend a ballpoint pen or a gel pen. What we do recommend is just using a plain old Sharpie. You write on there, let it sit for just a moment, literally counting to about 5 or 6, and then you can see no smearing, even though that gel pen is still smearing as well. And don't forget, these products come in all different colors as well. You can order a roll or a dispenser box of any of these colors, and you can request a swatch card too. These are our specialty colors, so you're seeing the goldenrod and you're seeing the lavender and the pink. But we have all different kinds of colors, all different kinds of dispensers. Ask for a sample and we'll get it right back out to you. And as always, if you have a question about the material, the finishing, the adhesive type, or whatever application you need for your specific needs, give us a call, 800-256-0435, or just hop on our website, ChromaLabel.com, and chat with us at any point.